popular since we launched it. This is using two different technologies, so infrared and red light therapy, in order to provide you relief from tension and joint and tissues and all of that, because this will go actually deeper into your skin, and just so you know, through the tissue into the joints. This is not just heat therapy. Like, there's two things happening here. So you will get some relief from like heat and anywhere you want. For me, I love this like in the middle of my back. That's where my stress is. That's where my like pain from stress and anxiety is. But because this is so mobile and easy to like take on the go, you can wrap it around and literally wear it. You can do this session anywhere. Like, you could be in the car, you could be working, you could be running around getting stuff done at the house and getting this treatment. So we have this at a special price today. It's $148.98. It's new. It's been super popular. It's about $1 a day on Easy Pay, under $30, but this really is the gift of relief. And I'd love for you to talk about this technology, because I think we present a lot heat therapy. This is not just heat therapy. This is really going beyond what like a heating pad could ever do.
That's absolutely right. And I just have to say out of the gate, Tommie did it again, because this technology, this LED infrared technology, isn't brand new, but what we're bringing to you is a different way of delivering it. So we've perfected the delivery system by making it, number one, comfortable and portable and rechargeable. And on one charge, you're going to get three 20-minute uses. It takes about 2 to 4 hours to charge, but you're going to see red light and you're going to see infrared light. So the red light heats the surface of the skin, similar to what a heating pad would do. But the infrared is what goes deep and penetrates, that goes down into the tissue, down into the joint, down into the areas where we really need it, and it helps increase your local blood circulation. And that kind of aids the body's natural healing process. So yes, it's infrared. Yes, it helps with circulation. Yes, it warms, and that warmth feels great, but it's rechargeable and it's comfortable, and you don't have to sit and wait for a treatment or sit on a couch for a treatment. You can be on the go. So it's like having your physical therapist with you as you're driving in your car or as you're doing those tasks, because we give you two belts. There's flex belts that help hold this in place. So if you're using it around your waist or your shoulder, you'll use, of course, the bigger compression belt. But if you're using it on a limb, a leg, an ankle, a wrist, an elbow, then you would use the smaller strap. And those straps, the long one is 36 to 68 inches, and the shorter one is 15 to 25 inches. So but feels good.
And I think, Denise, like, because we are all so different and we know where that part of our body is for us, like whether it is your thigh or for me it's my back, like I love the size of this, the neck, because you can literally put it everywhere. And what you were seeing from Reggie wearing it now to the video is people literally just wearing it and hopefully forgetting it's there while it's doing all the work of the temporary, like helping you with blood circulation, temporarily helping you relax and get those minor, you know, issues with your muscles and stiffness, like some relief in those places from the comfort of your home. I mean, that's the thing. I think sometimes it's just easy to like, it's hard actually to go into an office and plan your life around these sorts of things. Of course, they're necessary in some cases, but what you do at home makes a huge difference. And this has completely elevated the at-home experience.
Yeah, absolutely. And I don't want you to think when you get it home, because you only see the red light, because that's all the human eye can see. We cannot see the infrared. So there are 60 different lights, 30 are red and 30 are infrared. So please don't think that only half of them are working. We can't see the infrared with the naked eye. And as Dan Hughes I've learned from him, he says only a bumblebee can see infrared. I don't even know if that's true or not.
I didn't even know that.
I believe it all the time.
If Dan says it, I believe it.
It must be true. But again, so super comfortable. And I think for the first time too, this is a pain relieving product that you can wear around your neck. There aren't really many on-the-go type of products for around the neck. And I'll tell you, I use it for tension headaches all the time, Courtney. Husband uses it on his knees. My daughter-in-law, who just had a baby a year ago, uses it for her lower back. So everybody and anybody can benefit. Each treatment is 20 minutes long and it shuts itself off after 20 minutes. But because it's rechargeable, it's comfortable, and you could be not tethered to a cord, and you can have that pain relief on the go. It literally is like having your therapist, your kinesiologist, your doctor with you as you're on the go. Now, I know that's a little exaggerated, but that's what it feels like.
Yeah. I mean, imagine a morning commute, you know, like, then you're done. Not to mention, this should be closer to $200 if you were to shop it at retail. You're saving over $50 by getting it here. It's worth $199.50. You're paying $148.98, which is better than the normal QVC price even. About $1 a day on Easy Pay. You still get all those things like infused with copper and zinc and anti-odor and all of that stuff. But I think we present a lot of heat pads. This is going beyond what they can do because of what you can't see. It's going to go through the tissue into the joints. So if that is something that you're interested in and really going beyond what a heat pad you can do to do some real work, this is the item for you.
Yeah, absolutely. The joint, the muscle, you know, deep into those areas, because a heating pad is wonderful. And that's what the red lights do. It warms the surface of the skin, which can help a little bit. But if you have that deep, annoying pain that's in a tissue, in a joint, in a muscle, then you need something more than just what a heating pad can provide. And that's what this does.
My husband totally wants this, Denise. He was around when I was on the call with you guys the other day in the Tommie Copper team, and my husband was like, so I want everything in that show pretty